Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So frankly speaking, you cannot completely disable your Meta AI on Facebook. However, you can still mute it effectively, silencing its notification and interaction. So for this, all you gotta do is simply open your Facebook and tap on the search icon. Once you do this, tap on the Meta AI icon, that is particularly the blue circle within the search bar. After this, tap the eye icon in the top right corner on the Meta AI chat. After doing this, you can simply find the mute option. Simply select that particular option. Now choose your desired mute duration. You can mute for 15 minutes or longer period, or even until I change it. After doing this, you can simply get your Meta AI turned off or muted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.